Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we will see how to append a content to a file. And we have seen how this append thing with the list and tuples and all these things. So what is append? Append means adding the content to the end. Okay, so this is append, and similarly that is there in file handling as well. So first, the two scenarios again that you need to keep in mind with the append mode is that if the file does not exist in the append mode, it will be created, and if the file exists, then the file pointer will be at the end of the file. In the write mode, it was at the start of the file, right? And that was the reason why all the data was being erased and the new data that we wanted to write was written, right? But here the file pointer is at the end of the file, and this is the most important thing. Since the file pointer is at the end of the file, the new content that we write will be added at the end, thus keeping the previous content as well. And we don't generally want, right, to our previous content to be erased. There are some scenarios when we want that. That's why we have to these different methods, that is write and append. So again, the append modes that we have got in Python that you can see on the screen is A stands for append, A stands for append, just only for append. A plus stands for append and read. Again, AB and AB plus, we have the same things for that as well. So here let's work with append. So now here we have A, right? So now we need to append, right? So is there, for read we have read method, for write we have write method, for append do we have append method? No. For that we use the write method itself. Just when we open the file, it has to be opened in the append method. Okay. So in the file we have seen that we have here, hello, this is Keyur. So let's say we want to add something more into it. So let's write that welcome to Python. So this is our content that we want to append, and again don't forget to close it. So close, and we are done. So now let's run it and let's see whether it works or not. And let's see into the file. Yes, here it was added. So again, we can surely use the backslash n or the tab things and all that to make it more good indent and all these things. But for now, our aim is to just understand the concepts. So this is the file handling in Python. And we have seen how to read to a file, how to write to a file, and how to append to a file. And again, remember the scenarios. I am repeating it again because these are really important concepts. That if the file does not exist in read mode, it will throw us error. If it does not exist in read and write and append mode, the file will be created. Again, keep in mind the file pointer things. In write mode, the file pointer is at the beginning, and in the append mode, the file pointer is at the end. So that's it. That's about working with the file. There are few things left that we will discuss in the next video. So that's it for this one. Let's catch up in the next one.